So this video is in response to those that don't really understand how to use magic stone and gift box on Avive mining. Okay, so let's do it together, guys. When you open your mining app, or as you can see, um, the airdrop says free airdrop will be suspended if over 25 rounds of airdrop are unclaimed. So as you can see, I have up to 13 that is unclaimed. See there, I have to claim it, and this is my free BTC right here that I also have to claim. So I click on claim, click on claim, so it will be added to my um Avive balance. Okay, so now to use, when we come to tools to use this thing is just for your mining rate to be increasing. Now let me show us this. This is, take a look at this. You see my soul power, it's written there, my soul power, and this is team power. This my soul power is my own soul power, as in, as I'm doing this thing, as I'm engaging on this, my soul power keeps on increasing and my mining rate keeps on increasing. Okay, and those that I referred into the system, as they are doing it as well, the team power also continue to increase. Now what are you supposed to do with this? When you see this in your account, what you're supposed to do, it is either you join the one that is already created, or you initiate for people to join. Now this is the name, dark magic stone. Dark magic stone is the name. You have to know the name. The essence of it is to increase your mining rate. If you don't do this, your mining rate will remain small and you'll be mining small. Okay, so what are we supposed to do now? Now I'm going to initiate. If you want to join, you can just click on join and then go and look for people that have dropped dark magic stone for you to add it and join. Let's say, for example, if I click on join now, they'll say please enter power exchange code. So what I will do now is to go to their WhatsApp group or their Telegram group. Let me show you something. This is Avive WhatsApp. Now this is okay. Look at it. Look at this one right here. They say dark magic stone, which is exactly what we have. And this person said 2 slots left. Are you seeing it? And this is the code that he dropped. So if I copy this code now and go and let's say I copy this code now. I copy the code. I paste it here and I confirm. Once I confirm, this box, I'm not confirming because I want to initiate. This box here will disappear and my mining rate will increase. Okay, now if you want to initiate, that means you are initiating for people. If I click on initiate now, that means I'm initiating for people to join, and I will choose the number of people I want them to join the code, so that I will execute. You click on 5. I want 5 people to join it. I click on initiate. Now you see the background have changed. Now, if I don't want to initiate again, I can cancel. I can easily cancel it. You can cancel it if you want. Now, look at the name here, Dark Magic Stone. Now, what are you supposed to do? You see the code here. This is the code. This is the code that is generated for me. You copy it isolatedly. Don't click on the copy icon. If you click on the copy icon, it will highlight it to copy everything. So isolate it and copy the code. Then go back to that WhatsApp again. Let's come here again and we'll say dark. Remember, what you have is dark magic stone. Now we paste it. We paste the code. We can make it bold. We can make it. We can just differentiate it like this so that it will be big. Okay, so that someone can easily notice it. Okay, dark magic stone. That is the code we have. As you can see, people are dropping their own. You as well can come here and pick a code. You can come here and pick a code. Now this is our own. Now you further copy it. It's not only here. You copy it again and go to their Telegram group. This is a Telegram group. Okay, you paste your own. Now when you paste, there's a timer. There's a timer to this. You can paste it again when the timer reads down to 00. Okay, as you can see, people are also posting their own. Now if you don't want to go through this, you can just come and look for someone that have posted the one you have. Like this one is Wind Magic Stone. wind magic stone, lightning magic stone. Are you seeing it? So that is how to do this, guys. That is how to this person have posted water magic stone. Okay, so you can, if you have any of them, you copy the code and go and put in your own. Copy your code, go and click on join, so that your mining rate will be increasing. That is what this thing is all about, guys. Now, this is not the only group that they have. There are other groups as well. There's also this group. Those in my WhatsApp group will actually get this. I will drop the link to this. If you're in my WhatsApp, you can get it easily and join them and be posting your own as well. Okay. But mind you, if you post this in once alone, it is not enough. You need to post it like two or three times in those platforms, like 2 or 3 times into those platforms. As you can see, people are bombarding the group with these things. You have to post it like 2 or 3 times so that people can copy your code and enter it. Okay. Now for the gift code, you can see there are 10 of them. When you join for the first time, you'll be getting it one per day, one per day, one per day until the 10 appears for you. So you need to be copying them isolatedly one by one. Gift code, as in, if you copy it, you can copy it and stack it just the same way I did the other one, and then tag it gift box. The name is just gift box. There's no other name attached to it, just gift box. All of them, they are all gift box. Now, the more people are using this gift box, it does not disappear, but your mining rate will also keep on increasing. Okay, so when now, as you can see now, one person have joined. You see it now. As I posted those things now, one person have joined. Number two, they say user, this person have joined. Now, when this, look at the numbers here. We have waiting, 3 waiting, 4 waiting, 5 waiting. So when these people have finished joining, this place now will change to execute. Here, the background will change to execute. You just click on execute. Now come and check. You come back and check and click on execute. Once you execute, this box, the box will disappear. Okay, and your mining rate will increase. That is what this thing is all about, guys. There's nothing more to it. So as you are doing this, your mining rate will keep on increasing, and the faster you mine. Okay, so that is it, guys. If you have any other question, you can still ask. Join our WhatsApp group. I'll drop the link in the description box so you can come and ask your questions. So for now, thank you guys, and have a wonderful day.